The SRM-AUC plotter is designed for quick and precise cutting of screen fabrics, which, due to their manufacturing technologies, require different cutting tools. It is a CNC machine which cuts the material in 2 axes. It is the first plotter in Poland designed for cutting fabrics for roller blinds, allowing the cutting of irregular shapes, e.g. screens with a zip cut. The largest templates that can be cut on the SRM-AUC plotter are 6,000 by 3,500 mm. It is also possible to cut very small strips of material. The machine is operated using the Sigma-Nest software, and the cutting is done through files created in G-code. The software can be installed on any computer connected to the plotter via Ethernet. The software is compatible with templates in the form of a DXF file, or it is possible to draw them directly using the software in the CAD module. The amount of pieces to be cut is determined when entering the shapes of the templates. If there are more templates than can fit on one work table, the software divides the templates into several tasks, optimizing their distribution to reduce material waste. Using the software, templates can be unfolded automatically, manually, or the automatic distribution option can be adjusted. Then it is possible to move the templates so that they have as many common edges as possible, thus reducing the number of knife passes and wasted fabric. If the templates are arranged well, an NC path is created. At this stage, it is already possible to see a preview of the simulation of the cutting tool's travel. If everything is correct, a cutting file is generated and saved directly to the plotter. At the same time, a file with a report is created, showing the arrangement of individual templates. In this way, the plotter operator, after finishing the task, can identify individual templates. The software allows the arrangement of templates of various shapes, not only rectangular. It also has the option of assigning different cutting parameters to each type of fabric. This is very important due to the differences between the fabrics. They are assigned specific vacuum parameters, the optimal knife type for a particular type of fabric, knife pressure value, or cutting speed. The material and foil are supplied from a warehouse for storage of material stock. The material is lifted using a movable beam with a gripper. The warehouse itself also is equipped with a drive that supports the unwinding of the fabric. The speed of material unrolling and picking up the fabric by the gripper are synchronized with each other. As a result, the fabric unrolls evenly, which is important in the cutting process. The program with the cutting path is sent from Sigma-Nest directly to the plotter, or it can be uploaded via USB. The file with the order to be cut is selected, and the cutting path in the form of a G-code is displayed on the screen. At this stage, the cutting parameters can be checked, and an operator with the appropriate permissions can change these parameters directly on the path at the G-code level. The work of the plotter operator is very simple. No parameterization is required. Only the appropriate fabric is selected, the file is loaded, and the cutting is started. The selection of the blade pressure value, the speed of movement, or the number of vacuum segments activated and their power is already sewn into the file prepared in the Sigma-Nest software. The material is unfolded only to the length necessary to cut out the templates from a given order and cut on the line of the first cut. This way, there is no scrap in the form of a strip of material that normally occurs when cutting fabrics on machines of this type. The fabrics, depending on what parameters have been assigned to them, can be cut with an ultrasonic knife or with a crush cutter. The ultrasonic blade mounted on the plotter comes from a reputable Italian brand with 30 years of experience in ultrasonic technology. The new generation of ultrasonic generator models allows cutting with different frequencies. Ultrasonic cutting is a guarantee of a clean, fray-free edge of the fabric. Except for screen fabrics, all other roller shutter fabrics can be cut on the plotter. The crush cutter, in the video presented here, does a great job with fabrics for indoor blinds. Not all fabrics require foil. Both tools have automatic compensation for the force of the blade pressing against the surface of the tabletop. Thus, small irregularities arising during use are irrelevant. After starting the program, it is always possible to stop cutting at any time and restart from the last step. The beam with 2 cutting tools has an option for automatic self-alignment. In this way, beams and knives are always positioned parallel to the entire device, and rectangular pieces, even very large ones, maintain the correct angles. After cutting, the material is moved back to the starting position, where it is picked up when a new task is started. The SRM-AUC plotter is an efficient CNC machine that enables the accurate and economical cutting of fabrics. It definitely stands out from other typical roller blind cutters.